hitting outfielder first. And the first pitch on the way is cracked foul down the left field line. 5.05 ERA. A 1 curveball is spun in there for a strike. Season. The 0-2. Curveball low. 1-2 on from the windup. Chen fires. Fastball outside. 2-2. Soon. The 2-2. Trimble bounces it foul. Back behind the plate. Chen's 2-2. Fastball low. Full count now on June for him. 3-2. Trimble leans into it. Flies one in the shallow right. Jarvis has good speed, and he chases it down towards the... Gave up 7 hits and 6 runs. Wagner takes a curveball down and away for added in. 1-0 is low. From the windup, the 2-0. Chopped foul over. 2-1 is up and in. 3 balls and a strike. 3-1. Hit hard on the line to left center field. This splits the gap and is cut off by Ciani before reaching the track. Wagner digs for second. Throw by Ciani on a hop. Johnson's tag is not in time. And the first pitch is a curveball up and away for ball 1. Twice the pitch. Up and away. 2-0. Slumped a little bit this June. 2-0 breaking ball is outside. 877 OPS. 3-0. Gets the green light and flies one out to straightaway center, sending Ciani back 6-7 steps. Makes the catch in deep center. Wagner tags from second, slides in safely into third in Double-A. Here's Retzbach. Big breaking ball is fouled off. Important pieces to the puzzle. 0-1. Retzbach rolls it softly to short. Pichardo gloves on the backhand. Gets rid of it quickly, and it's just in time to get Retzbach by a half. Educational Systems Federal Credit Union as Carter Young fouls the first pitch at BaySox.com. The 0-1. Curveball is dropped in there for a strike. 6 and 7 batters. 0-2. Rolled softly back to the pitcher, Chen. He fields it on the first base side of the mound and flips it on the first for the first down. Last several years down at the diamond. Here's Hodo. He takes a big curveball at the knees for a strike. From the wind, the 0-1. Hodo fouls it off the inside part of 2 strikes, 1 out the pitch. In the dirt and blocked by 1-2. Rolled softly to third. It's picked up on the edge of the infield grass by the third base. Here's Vasquez. And he takes a ball outside. Catcher McKeithen dropped the 1-0. Fastball outside. Early May, 2-0. And there's a fastball at the knees for a called 2 games this week have belonged to Altoona. Vasquez rolls a 2-1 to first. Dixon fields belt high. Throws to second for the force out, and that's all they'll get. Hodo forced out. First pitch. Fastball is at the belt for a called strike. Nothing in the field. He'll be there. 0-1 hit hard on the ground, but right at the third baseman, Gorson shuffles the feet and sidearms a throw to second for the lead out, and that will end the inning.
One-handed starter. It's the slim righty Po-Yu Chen who pumps home the first delivery. It is grounded hard up the middle. Ranging to his left, Pichardo knocks it down, bobbles it, recovers, and throws to first. Switch hitter bats left-handed. The pitch is downstairs for ball 1. For the Bay Sox, 1-0 is a check swing foul ball at home plate. 1-1. Trimble takes just outside. 2 balls and a strike. Couple of weeks. 2-1 toss. And Trimble takes a breaking ball that drops in over the outside edge. 1 man out. The 2-2. And Trimble tops it foul. It rolls to the backstop cover. 2-2. Trimble takes in the dirt. The count's full. The payoff pitch from Po-Yu Chen is waved at and missed for strike 3. Firm changeup from Chen. Right. Wagner, a softly hit double, his first time up, takes low for ball 1. Full week of summer. 1-0. And Wagner, right-handed batter, takes a strike. The pitch home. Wagner has to duck out of the way. Whew. Curveball, that skiing balls can sometimes be fleeting for pitchers. 2-1 toss, drops in inside edge. It's a strike on another. Just moisture 2-2 is grounded hard, left side, diving back in and stopped by Pichardo. Gets to his feet from the shallow outfield grass. His throw is high, and it kicks in towards the camera well, and Wagner, who was already safe at first, he will get second base. Left-handed batter flew out the center first time up. Here's a spin throw back to second, and Wagner gets in ahead of a on the season. First pitch, and the slow curveball drops in. It's a strike. He comes set, the pitch, and Willems stares at a strike. From an out, he comes home, and Willems pokes it foul off to the left. 0-2 pitch. Willems swings and misses for strike three. The Chen curveball. Good north to south movement. Ball and glove tight to his chest. He works the first pitch out of the wind to Retzbach, and it is on there already on the top step. The pitch. Retzbach takes just down, and the count is breath from the righty. Leans back, now fires, and the 1-1 is in the dirt. Some good, as the 2-1 is low again. 3 balls and 1 strike on Retzbach. 3-1 to Retzbach. The pitch, and it's low for ball 4. That was a pretty good at-bat from Addo. Yes, it's a walk on 5 pitches, but a lot of right-handed starter Po-Yu Chen. Here's the first pitch, and Young swings and misses at a sinker. Shallow deeper into the game. 0-1. Young pops it foul, goes over the net behind, plays, that's for sure. 0-2. Young takes it, it's a called strike 3. Against Doug Hodo, who singled his first time up. First pitch nearly hits him. Doug tucked of a lineup. 1-0. And Hodo watches a strike drop in, 1-1. It's 1-1 on Hodo with 1 out, the pitch. And it's just a bit outside on the sinker. 2 balls, 1 strike, the pitch. Hodo takes outside again. He's able to lay off a right-on-right change. 3-1, the pitch. And Hodo takes high, it's ball 4. So he gets a lot of off-speed. And then a 3-1 batter hit into a fielder's choice in the second. First pitch to him here is waved at and missed. A feint to thirst from McKeithen. A glance at second in the pitch. And Vasquez takes outside. It's 1 ball and 1 strike. Sun has been tucked back in behind the clouds now. 1-1. Vasquez takes a strike. The pitch home. And Vasquez pops it foul. Out of play behind home plate. 1-2. Vasquez watches wide. 2 balls and 2 strikes. 2-2 on Vasquez, the pitch, and he fights off another one foul. Vasquez is running up that pitch count of Chen. The 2-2 is up and in. He lifts his arms out of the way. To his body. The 3-2 is down and in, ball 4. Sinker was up. Rest of the infield's back to Poole. And the first pitch skips in. It's past McKeithen. Here comes Retzbach rumbling home. The throw to the plate, and the tag is not in time. Retzbach slides in, ball and no strikes. The pitch from Chen. Romero tops it. 1 down, the 1-1. Romero lifts it in the air, but slicing foul. Right-handed bats back in. 1-2 pitch. Romero takes, it's called strike 3. Romero lingers in the box for just a moment, but the sinker looks like it caught the knees. First time up. Pichardo's deep in the hole right now. The first pitch to Velasquez is out spot. 1-0. And watch out, Velasquez nearly wears it in the helmet. It's 2-0. Let's see if Velasquez gets something to hit. And the pitch is popped up. Foul ground, Velasquez. Chen pumps home. And the pitch is grounded foul. The break even is outside. Doesn't chase the breaking. 3-2, the pitch. And he grounds it weakly over to shortstop. Pichardo waits back on it, gathers, guns to first, and it is in time to end the inning.
In Bowie, it's 3-1 Altoona. First pitch to Reed Trimble, who leads off, is occurring in the top of the 5th. 0-1 fastball cut on the miss for strike 2. The 0-2 swing and the miss, strike 3. So a 3-pitch see ya from Po-Yu Chen. That's it. Here's Wagner. First pitch fastball inside through the first 4 innings. The pitch is in the dirt. 2 balls and no strike. The 2-0. Wagner skies one in the fairly deep center, but it hangs for Siani. He squares up, makes the catch chest top. First pitch on the way. Willems shows bunt, and he bunts it foul. He popped it up as it lands. The 0-1. Fastball is outside. 1 ball. The 1-1. Breaking ball swing and a miss. Slow curve. 1-2. Fastball low. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Scoreboard lit up. 2-2. In the dirt. Blocked by McKeithen. 3 balls, 2 strikes. Wine throws a 3-2. Fastball down and in. Ball 4. Run at the plate for Chesapeake. First pitch. Retzbach swings and fouls it over the netting. The pitch. Chopped to third. Short hop corralled by Gorson. The throw to second in time for the lead out and to end the inning. So Po Yu Chen gets